Welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to see how the Product Hunt Launch Monitor works. You can find it easily in the BrowserAct marketplace, and if you're not sure how to use it, I already have a video covering that. The workflow is super simple. We only need the product's name, but just a heads up, it has to be the exact one that's inside the URL on its Product Hunt page, like example I'm showing right now. The rest of the steps are like any other workflow. We just create a custom link since this saves us some steps and credits. After that, we loop inside the target page to look for that product's reviews. We extract the data and send it to an n8n agent. We simply get the data from Google Sheets. This way, you can add more than one product and get all the data together. The n8n workflow is also simple, and it comes with a complete guide. I've added the BrowserAct template name as well. Okay, as we showed earlier, we're simply getting data from Google Sheets, and for each row, we're creating a single loop. That loop sends the input data using the first BrowserAct node. You only need to add credentials, select the workflow by name, and then select and add the input parameters. The second node grabs the task ID from the first node and then gets the data. Just don't forget to switch on the wait for task to finish option. The AI agent's job is super simple. It just checks the summary, reads every review, and analyzes them. Then, based on those reviews, it will create a list of positive and negative points. It will also add recommendations for your product based on their product and reviews, so you won't make the same mistakes your competition did. Then, the data gets added to Google Sheets. When the loop finishes, we simply send an alert to our Slack channel. Here's what the result will look like. Pretty crazy, right? You've just turned your opponent's weakness into your strength, and you're going to hit them hard on your release. Thanks for watching.